So, I'm extremely tired, but I still have so much to do today. It is sickening. But regardless, so just to break down the clones, right? I usually ship the clones by myself. If I'm shipping them, I usually ship them from my house and just go directly to the post office. But I have ran out of personal boxes. Now, I do have some boxes already from the warehouse, but what I want to do is I want to act like I don't have any material really, and just show you guys what I do or what I would do or what I used to do. And it's sort of kind of fun, like backtracking and seeing how I used to prepare packages, vice versa now. So prime example, I never knew that the post office could pick up packages from my house. I never knew that. I never knew that I can buy boxes wholesale on Amazon and on a bunch of different websites. And Uline is it's a place that you can get boxes from too. Now, I choose not to use any of these services. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I have friends that own businesses and they usually just give me their boxes. But when it comes to like looking for boxes to utilize for sales, by yourself, I would honestly say if I needed boxes immediately, I wouldn't go to UPS, I wouldn't go to USPS, I wouldn't go to FedEx. Instead, I would just go to like Walmart. And the reason I go to Walmart is Walmart has some affordable boxes that I usually just always fell for. Like, it was easy for me to get them. They always had them in stock. I'm not sure, I've never been in this Walmart looking for boxes, but we're gonna go into this Walmart and we're gonna look to see what boxes they do have, because I'm very curious. And as I'm passing the Staples, I've never looked in Staples for boxes. I've looked in Staples for like labels. I've looked in Staples for envelopes, but I used to just get all of my stuff exclusively from Walmart. And I don't think it's a problem with that. And if you have a Walmart in your area, I would suggest that you do the same, because Walmart usually has them for like 98 cents or even 35 cents. So, it could be more beneficial if you just stock up on those boxes, especially since, like, I swear I put these in a bag or something. Hold on. Like these Maxes, hold on. Where they at? I leave them? Hold up now. Yeah, these Maxes right here, they're so big, they don't just fit in just any size box. Now, I found this out the hard way, where I've tried to put them in certain boxes and they didn't fit, or they fit but it was like a tight fit, and you don't want the box to get damaged. So it's more so of finding a box where you could put some bubble wrap in them and things of that nature. Now, we have 5 packages that we need to do, so we're gonna get 5 boxes. Now, when it comes to labels, if I'm being real, it took me probably like 6 years to actually get a label printer, and it's an interesting reason, right? So I used to just tape the labels and just print them out with a regular printer, until I realized that was ineffective on the go. Now I have a label printer, believe it or not, that's mobile, one that I can use wherever I go. And I also have one in my office, and I can't go without a label printer, because label printers are pretty cool. They also are faster, and yeah, so I would definitely recommend getting like a label printer from Amazon. Just get a small one. Get one that connects to Bluetooth. They cost like maybe $40, $80, depending on which one you get. But they have been a lifesaver for me, especially when it comes to time. And I think a lot of us, we don't really value our time as much as we should, because I'm a prime example. I used to think, well, I just go ahead and print out the label. I'll cut it out and then I'll just tape it like regular. But then I've started to realize the more orders I got, the more time that took. You feel me? So always try to shorten your time, because the time that you shorten, you can actually be working on something else. You feel me? So that's exactly what I would say in my advice. Now, let's get into this crowd behind Walmart and see if they got boxes. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I just don't know. because as I'm looking while I'm talking to y'all, this is a crowded, big behind Walmart. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the big Walmarts in Philly don't ever have nothing in stock. But I've never been to a Walmart where they don't have boxes in stock. That's why I like going to the Walmart for boxes, because people usually don't utilize the boxes. So we'll see. We'll check and hopefully we find some. All right, where is it at now? Did I speak too soon? All right. I don't think I did. I think these are the new boxes they have, which I like this. It says this is a mailer box. But these are the ones I usually get. But oh, we need bigger. Hold on, y'all. These are the boxes that I'm gonna get. All right, so we got 5 of them. Now we gotta ring it up. This crap don't work. Oh my God, you gotta love Philly. 1, so cost $117. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't usually get these, I just get the regular boxes, but I'm gonna explain to you in the car why I got these. Hey, I'm in the car. I just want to test this out. Now, usually I don't buy these type of boxes, but these would actually be better because of how they close. But the problem we're gonna have, which I'm curious to see, is okay, so it fits. It will fit when it comes flapping down, but is it too thick? Let's see. No, it's not too thick. Is it? These don't be too thick. No, it's not. Wow, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. My issue is, how the heck do I put these together? So they come with some type of instructions right here. So I'm about to figure this out, y'all. Hold on. All right, I get it, guys. So you fold it up, fold that down, and now it's stuck like this. And then you put that inside. You put this right here inside here, and yo, it is a little too thick. It's like a little too. Let me see. That's tough. You don't need no tape to do it or anything. All right, I mean, no, this should be good. So now that's how it's done. Okay. So we did 1. I'm hitting my radio and stuff. 1. is a little too thick, but we should be good. Life of an entrepreneur. Your car is your office too. So I'm hurrying up, right? Because it's almost rush hour. And traffic is about to be crazy. It's supposed to snow or something too. So I'm just like, oh my gosh. All right, we got another pair. Put another pair in here. We can close it up. Okay. My kids about to come home from school. So I gotta do that. I gotta make sure they got food and all that too. I actually like these boxes. Less taping. I'm only going to tape like once. One thing. So I do like that. But they were $117. That's crazy work. So usually with a lot of businesses that sell wholesale or sell to businesses, they don't just charge a shipping fee. You know what else they charge? They charge a staging and kitting fee, which this would be a staging and kitting where, well, no, this would be kitting basically, where I'm preparing the package to look like this. This is actually for somebody. So I'm actually like literally packaging an order. Like in the future, we could be actually doing this for your customer, basically. You know what I mean? Like for your customer to see it. I like these boxes. I think I'm gonna do resellers kits in these boxes too, cause I like these boxes. They're less. Got another one. They're less. I said they're less. Wow, they're less. Less taping. I really like that part. I'm gonna do this so I can just go in the house, grab the labels, 1, 2, 3, and then dip out. Oh, well, how many I grabbed? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a lot of them. God. I don't like all this work. I don't like it. I'll see y'all when it's done, because I know this is a lot. Okay, guys, so I am currently about to drop these off. So right now, we're about to just tape these boxes up. And I'd rather do it this way now. I want to make sure that these don't get opened. So I'm taping these and then I'm going to drop them off. I just wanted to tap in with y'all, let y'all know. And then I'm done. I am done after that. I'm going to take me a nice lunch and then get back to work. Well, no, I'm not. Because I have kids and I got to make sure that they eat. I'd rather make sure I have their dinner ready so that I can go ahead and do my business. So probably make dinner and then take a break. So yeah. Whatever. The life I chose. Right. I'm scared of these packages. I mean, I'll take them up good. All right, guys, let me focus on this, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all. As y'all see, man, I'm trying to include more content of me, like, outside the house and me taking packages home so I can show you guys my process and stuff. And again, I enjoy all of you, and I appreciate everybody for watching and tapping in and tuning in with me. It means the world to me, just where we're going and where we have come. So I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be safe and continue to make money work for you. Peace.